So hello guys, myself is Harshit Kumawat, and as you all know, I am pursuing PGDM diploma in retail management from Jims College. So if you don't know about PGDM diploma, so PGDM diploma is more or less relevant to MBA program only. So there are not a major difference between these two programs. So in today's video, I will tell you what are the importance of the LinkedIn profile. If you are making the LinkedIn profile on the LinkedIn platform in a appropriate way, that will be helpful for your future or for getting the job in whichever company or industry you want. So already you have seen that there are a lot of changes in the past or present scenario, that many industry experts or HR are not hiring or not connecting with the candidate by physically. So many recruiter hire through the LinkedIn. And what are the importance of this LinkedIn platform in the COVID-19 situation? So in today's video, I will tell you that what are the importance of building the profile on the LinkedIn profile platform. So let's start the video without further delay. So hello guys, now I am gonna tell you that how your LinkedIn profile will look like. So I am recording this by my mobile phone only, because in my laptop there is a something issue. So I leave it and I started to record by my mobile phone. So you can look like that in my feed. This feed is only about from the people whom I am following. So you can also manage the people whom you are following. So in this platform I will show you my profile, that how my profile look like. So in my mobile phone, this is not looking very clearly. I am not able to show you. But first of all, you need to upload your picture, this one that I have uploaded on my profile. It should be on a professional, and the background you can upload the quotation or the type of related about your company. I uploaded Jims College photo because I am pursuing PGDM in Jims College. And here I have a written on this that my name is this Harshit Kumawat, and I am a marketing intern at Anjay India Invest, and also written marketing enthusiast and retail management. I have written this because of any recruiter comes and visit my profile, then definitely this will attract to the recruiter that this candidate is have a particular skills. And here you can manage your experience, your education background, and if someone endorse you, here it will show you at this bar. And this is a like a contact, how any person can contact me. And in that interest, how there is a option that you can show the interest in which company you are or in which people you want to follow. So here it will show my following activity, that how I am doing on the LinkedIn platform. So here I like the post of Vivek Nanda sir. He is my a lecturer, or you can say faculty in my college. So I like the post. And you can also see what type of article you have uploaded and the post you have uploaded. So I am also at a new this platform. So I uploaded this post, and it will show you that how much people like it, and how many people have seen this profile. So you need to upload the content related to your field or job, so that will definitely help. So guys, the second thing is that you can search any job on the LinkedIn platform, because LinkedIn platform connect with the recruiter and the candidate. And first thing is that you need to build your profile in an appropriate way. And if you convince or connect with the particular associate of a company or HR of a company in which you want to work, so you can connect with a recruiter, and recruiter may visit your profile first of all, then the recruiter will call you for the interview. So first thing is that you need to build your profile in an appropriate way, and then second thing is that you can search your job related to your career and your field. So there are a lot of, most of the companies are available on the LinkedIn platform. So you need to only just type the name of that company, that company is already available on the LinkedIn profile, and if it is any post is available, that LinkedIn platform will show you that you can work in this company. But you, first of all, you need to build your profile in an appropriate way, because there are a lot of candidates who are using just scrolling and just reading the other content or other post. So that will not help you. You need to build your profile also by the type of a content you need to upload your you in which company or in which you field you want to work. So I don't go into the deeper way that which type of a content you upload on the LinkedIn profile, but definitely that there will be officially or like professional kind of a content you need to upload, that in your college or in your company or anywhere, if you get something, if you achieved something and that is a matter by the way in a society or in a education, so you need to upload on the platform. So you need to upload the type of a content related to your career or the field. So that totally depend on you. And the third thing is that you can learn from the LinkedIn platform, because there are already most of the companies are available on the LinkedIn profile and LinkedIn platform, and most of the companies upload their inside data about the market, about the future, about the present, about the past, and what will be the growth in the future. So you can read, and there are a lot of articles are available, there are a lot of videos are available. I also read many of articles like KPMG, Harvard University, and Entrepreneurs Media. These three platform, if you follow these three particular profile, or you can say these people or these group, so that will be definitely help you, because in this time most of the companies are looking in the candidate only soft skills, and soft skills comes by acquiring the soft skills only, or doing something related to soft skills. And there are a lot of inside data available on the LinkedIn profile, and if you want to go something in a deeper way, you can also purchase any course related to that. There are many courses available on the LinkedIn platform. If you want to purchase from that platform, so you can also learn from the LinkedIn platform, and it is a you need to just utilize this platform. It is not charging any amount from you. And the fourth thing is that it will connect, this platform connect from professional connection. Like there are a lot of associate of companies, and there are a lot of employees of the companies. They are on the LinkedIn platform, and easily you can get connect with them if you want to work in future. Like if you are working in a particular company, you can say Aditya Birla, and there are a lot of employees are on the LinkedIn platform, and they are showing that they are working in the Aditya Birla. You can connect with your boss or your senior, that how he is uploading or how he and she is uploading the content. And if you want to change your career into a different different field, so you can also can change by the help of the senior, because there are associate are available on this platform. They will definitely help you if you ask them, and they will be thankful if you ask from them. So there is this platform connect from HR professionals and to the candidate. So you need to use this platform in an appropriate way that will help you in the future if you build your profile in an appropriate way or in a professional way. Because many of the candidate, many of the people, I can't say that, but many of people are just scrolling or reading the others content or other posts that will not help you. That these things will help you those for those who are uploading the content. So you need to also build the profile, and you can learn this from this platform, and this platform is totally free. If you want to use this platform, you can use, and nothing is like LinkedIn is not charging from you, that is not forcing you. If you want to use this platform, you need to pay this amount of money. So just go and use this platform and make a professional profile that will definitely help you. So till that, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video.